Here's how we went from this to this. If you've got an old farm plow that's covered in rust and peeling paint, you might think restoring it means completely tearing it apart or sandblasting everything down to bare metal, but in most cases, it doesn't. If the plow is still structurally sound, you can remove the loose rust and failing paint, properly prepare the remaining corrosion, and seal and repaint the metal for long-term protection. In this video, we're restoring this Ferguson 2-bottom 3-point moldboard plow using the KBS Coatings 3-step rust prevention system. This consists of KBS Klean, RustBlast, and RustSeal, followed by KBS Max for a durable, UV-resistant finish. One of the first questions is, do you have to remove every bit of rust before painting? The answer is no. What needs to be removed is loose and flaking rust, peeling paint, and anything else that could interfere with a new coating. Firmly attached surface rust and existing paint can remain because we're going to prepare and seal them later with RustBlast and RustSeal. Before going any further, inspect areas with heavy corrosion. Deep pitting is okay, but if you find severely thin metal, cracks, or rust through that could affect the strength of the plow, repair or replace those components before painting. Keep in mind, not everything should be painted on a working plow. The frame, beams, hitch components, brackets, hardware, and other parts that don't normally wear against the soil can be coated. But moldboards, shares, landslides, coulters, and other ground-engaging surfaces generally shouldn't receive a permanent coating. These parts are constantly being abraded by soil, and paint often wears away. Instead, remove the rust and scale and smooth these surfaces. This is particularly important on moldboards because a smooth surface reduces resistance and helps the soil flow across the moldboard properly. Before doing any coating work, start with a clean surface. Use a pressure washer or garden hose to remove mud, dirt, and heavy buildup. Then clean the surfaces you'll be painting with KBS Klean, which doesn't leave residue that can hinder adhesion. Mix KBS Klean with hot water according to the amount of contamination. Scrub the surface thoroughly, especially around brackets, corners, joints, and other places where grease and dirt tend to accumulate. Once everything is clean, rinse thoroughly with fresh water and allow the plow to dry completely. Now remove the unstable material. Use a scraper, wire brush, wire wheel, or sanding equipment to knock off loose rust, scale, and peeling paint. The goal isn't necessarily to expose shiny bare metal everywhere. You're creating a clean, solid surface that the coating can bond to. Strongly adhered existing paint and intact surface rust can remain. When done, give the plow one final cleaning with KBS Klean to remove sanding dust and fingerprints, then apply RustBlast. Next, apply RustBlast, which treats the remaining surface rust, etches exposed metal, and leaves behind a zinc phosphate coating that prepares the surface for RustSeal. Spray RustBlast onto the surface and keep it wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the severity of the corrosion. While it's working, scrub the surface with a Scotch-Brite pad, again concentrating on corners, brackets, and other areas where corrosion can remain. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry the plow completely. After drying, you might see a whitish film on the metal. That's the zinc phosphate coating. This is normal, don't remove it. Once the plow is completely dry, it's time for RustSeal, which is a moisture-cured urethane coating that isolates the metal from moisture and oxygen, helping to stop the corrosion process. It also cures to a hard but flexible finish that resists impacts, abrasion, chipping, and peeling. RustSeal can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed. Before use, stir RustSeal from the bottom of the can, but don't shake it. Apply 2 to 3 thin overlapping coats. Don't try to get full coverage with one heavy coat. Thin coats cure more completely and produce a more durable finish. Apply each additional coat when the previous coat is dry to the touch, typically about 2 to 6 hours, and within the recommended 8-hour recoat window. RustSeal can usually be handled after 24 hours. Allow approximately 7 days for full cure. RustSeal provides the primary corrosion barrier, but because the plow may spend a lot of time outdoors, we're adding KBS Max as a final UV-resistant top coat. KBS Max is a fast-curing, two-component polyurethane coating with UV stability, gloss retention, strong adhesion, and resistance to impact, abrasion, cracking, chipping, and peeling. Before top coating cured RustSeal, scuff the surface with 320 grit sandpaper to promote adhesion. Another option is applying a light dust coat of KBS Fusion SEP self-etching primer. Start by thoroughly mixing Max base, stirring the can from the bottom to the top. Next, measure 3 parts Max base to 1 part Max activator into a clean container and mix until completely uniform. KBS Max can be applied by brush, roller, or spray equipment and flows out for a smooth finish with no brush marks. Max and Max activator are pre-thinned and ready to spray, but you can add KBS No. 1 thinner or xylene as needed. Apply a minimum of 3 even coats. Avoid heavy coats, puddling, or pooling. Multiple thin coats will provide better adhesion and durability. Max is typically dry to the touch in 1 to 2 hours, hard dry in 3 to 4 hours, and fully cured in 7 days. Allow a proper cure time before putting the plow back into service. As you can see, restoring a rusty farm plow doesn't necessarily require a complete teardown, sandblasting, or stripping every part to bare metal. Remove the loose rust and failing paint, clean and prepare the remaining corrosion, seal the metal with RustSeal, and protect the finish from sunlight with KBS Max. Do that properly, and an old rusty farm plow can be protected from further corrosion while looking considerably better for years to come. To see detailed instructions for the products used in this project, or to see additional repair and restoration videos, visit kbscoatings.com. KBS Coating products are proudly made in the USA.